There comes a point in life when you stop fighting for attention, stop chasing explanations, and stop trying to prove your worth to people who refuse to see it. That's the moment you understand the let them theory. Okay, if you love mindset-shifting ideas like this, click the link in the description for more videos that help you grow, heal, and level up your life. So, what is the let them theory? It's simple, but powerful. If people want to walk away, let them. If they want to talk behind your back, let them. If they want to misunderstand you, let them. If they want to doubt you, let them. Because none of that has anything to do with your peace, your progress, or your purpose. We waste so much energy trying to control how others see us, trying to convince them we're worthy, loyal, good enough, real enough. But the truth is, people only see from their level of awareness. You can't make someone see your value when they're committed to misunderstanding it. The let them theory is about reclaiming your energy. It's a reminder that you don't need to chase people who are comfortable losing you. You don't have to argue with someone who's already decided what they want to believe. You don't have to beg for a seat at a table where your presence isn't respected. When you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, you make space for peace. You make space for people who choose you, value you, and see you. Oh, quick reminder, if this message resonates with you, hit that subscribe button for more powerful mindset lessons that help you focus on your growth, not their approval. Here's what the let them theory really means in practice. If your friends stop calling, let them. Maybe life is moving them in a different direction. If someone doesn't value your time, let them. You don't have to beg for what's already yours. Respect. If they want to compete instead of collaborate, let them. Their insecurity has nothing to do with your purpose. Letting go isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It means you finally understand that not everything deserves a reaction. You can't heal by trying to change other people. You heal by changing how you respond. And here's the secret. The moment you let them, you win. You win your time back. You win your energy back. You win your peace back. Because the truth is, the people meant for you will never need convincing. They'll see your worth without a presentation. They'll stay without begging. They'll support you without keeping score. The let them theory isn't about indifference, it's about freedom. It's the art of letting life move naturally. When you stop forcing what's fading, you make space for what's meant to stay. So from now on, don't chase, don't explain, don't argue. Just focus on becoming so grounded, so aligned, and so focused on your goals that the noise around you fades away. Because when you let go of control, you step into peace. And peace is power. If this spoke to your soul, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, your energy is sacred. Protect it, focus it, and let them do whatever they need to do. You keep growing. You keep building. you keep becoming.